If you're looking to enhance the beauty, functionality, and value of your home in West Jordan, Utah, installing bay windows is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. These striking, 3-panel windows not only improve curb appeal, but also bring a range of practical benefits to your living space. Whether you're remodeling or building new, here are the top benefits of installing bay windows in West Jordan homes, and why they're a perfect fit for the region's style, climate, and lifestyle. More natural light from multiple angles. Bay windows consist of 3 connected window panels, typically one large picture window in the center and 2 angled operable windows on either side. This unique configuration allows natural light to pour in from different directions. For West Jordan homeowners, this means brighter interiors during the day, reduced need for artificial lighting, a more cheerful, open atmosphere. In Utah's sunny climate, bay windows take full advantage of daylight, helping to illuminate rooms like living areas, kitchens, and bedrooms. Expanded views of West Jordan's landscape. With their extended design, bay windows provide panoramic views that are hard to match with standard flat windows. Whether you have a view of the Wasatch Mountains, your beautifully landscaped backyard, or a peaceful neighborhood street, bay windows allow you to enjoy the scenery in comfort. This is especially ideal for living rooms with mountain views, dining areas overlooking gardens, home offices, or reading nooks needing natural inspiration. Bay windows bring the outdoors in, without ever leaving your seat. Additional interior space and functionality. One of the most unique advantages of bay windows is the extra space they add to your home's interior. Because the window structure projects outward from the main wall, it creates a small alcove that can be used in creative ways. Popular uses include a cozy built-in window seat, a decorative display area for plants or books, extra room for a breakfast nook or reading corner. In West Jordan homes where space is precious, this additional square footage can transform the feel and functionality of a room. Improved ventilation and airflow. The side panels of a bay window are typically operable casement or double-hung windows, allowing you to open them for cross-ventilation. This is especially beneficial during West Jordan's milder spring and fall months when you want to enjoy fresh air without relying on your HVAC system. Benefits include better airflow through large open areas, reduced indoor humidity and stuffiness, lower energy costs from natural cooling. This makes bay windows both beautiful and functionally smart. Boosted curb appeal and home value. Bay windows are a high-impact architectural feature that enhance the exterior look of your home. They add depth, dimension, and character that can instantly elevate curb appeal. Because of their visual impact and practical benefits, bay windows can also increase property value, to attract potential buyers if you plan to sell, will improve your home's overall aesthetic from the street. in competitive West Jordan neighborhoods. This edge in design can truly set your home apart. Versatile styles for any home design. Whether your home is traditional, craftsman, ranch style, or modern, bay windows can be customized to suit your architectural style. From frame finishes and window types to hardware and trim, you can design a bay window that complements your home perfectly. You can even pair bay windows with custom shades or curtains, decorative grills or etched glass, energy-efficient glass options for year-round comfort. Final thoughts. A smart upgrade for West Jordan homes. Installing bay windows is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a multi-functional improvement that adds light, space, value, and style to your West Jordan home. With proper installation and quality materials, bay windows will serve you well for decades. If you're ready to enjoy brighter rooms, better views, and enhanced curb appeal, talk to a local West Jordan window specialist about customizing the perfect bay window for your home.